Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. In today's technology-oriented world, with an ever-increasing number of tech jobs and a greater number of applicants, it might seem difficult to get ahead of the competition to become a highly successful software developer. Highly effective software developers work on the most challenging and creative projects in dynamic environments, collaborating with testers, consultants, and architects, and assisting product owners with well-informed choices. If these are some things that you already love doing as a developer, then you're already way ahead at first base. So you're probably wondering, since you're highly motivated and enthusiastic, what other habits, traits, and skills do you need to become a highly effective software developer? In today's video, we're going to look at 7 qualities of highly effective software developers. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. The first on our list is write clean code. The first step to becoming a successful software developer is to write clean code that's easier to run, understand, and test. It's also important to remember that writing clean code is one of the most essential traits of qualitative software development. As a software developer, you'll spend more time reading your code than writing it, which is why you need to make sure that your code is readable to yourself as well as others, even if it's looked back on months later. Technology is rapidly evolving, and there might be situations when your code needs to be changed. So make your code as understandable as possible so that when others go to tweak it, they can do so without giving it a second thought. Number 2 on our list is never stop learning. If you want to survive in the IT industry, then you have to learn the concept of survival of the fittest. This means that you should never stop learning and work on improving yourself continuously. Companies and businesses nowadays want their employees to be updated with the latest trends and software development technologies. To be in sync with these advancements, you can upskill yourself by joining online programs, reading blog posts and tutorials, enrolling in skill enhancement training, watching videos, etc., etc. Learning new skills will definitely help you in success in your software development journey. So a list of some of the ways that you can help improve yourself include following tech bloggers and technologists, reading books, attending tech conferences, events, and expos, keeping updated with the latest technologies and frameworks, sharing your knowledge with your coworkers, and of course, experiment. And that leads us to number 3 on our list. Never stop experimenting and exploring. Keep the curiosity alive. Curiosity and experimentation are the 2 main pillars of the IT industry. Foster your curiosity and let it lead you to new ideas, innovations, techniques, libraries, and work patterns. Highly effective software developers don't wait for people to tell them about the latest advancements. Instead, they're the ones researching the latest versions of their favorite technologies, reading release notes, understanding the flagship product of their favorite tech organization, and sharing this information with their coworkers. And there's always something new releasing on the market. So irrespective of whether you're a hobbyist developer or a professional, never stop experimenting and always keep the curiosity alive. Number 4 is discipline and persistence. Discipline and persistence are qualities that every software developer should learn. Being disciplined means that you're never late, and it always helps you complete your tasks on time. Persistence is a characteristic that every software developer should adopt in order to overcome challenges and finish their work in hand before the deadline. Number 5 is be aware of the business goals. Make sure that you thoroughly understand how the project you're working on helps achieve business objectives. If you don't understand these objectives, then connect with people who can help you understand these business goals. Understanding these goals will help you make better functional and technological decisions. It's important to remember these objectives from the very beginning, since they will help you save time and make you more successful. Once you get a thorough understanding of these objectives, make sure you apply them to your work and in conferences and sprint planning. If the project manager introduces some changes in the business goals that appear to be unclear to you, then make sure to discuss them. This will help you refine your knowledge about the objectives. Also, remember that business goals are always meant to change, so keep in sync with these changes. Number 6 is knowing the niche. Not everyone can achieve success in all software development domains. For example, you might be good at UX and design, but might not be that crisp at coding and core development. Highly effective software developers know their niche and work around it to succeed whatever way they can. And last but not least, number 7, Be attentive. Successful software developers will tell you that if you want your code to succeed and accomplish all of the business goals, then you need to be very attentive. You need to consider the minute details of the client's requirements and work accordingly. Keep your eyes open and focus on every minute detail of the task at hand to be successful in the project. So there we have it. Instilling these habits doesn't necessarily require intensive study, just learning certain behaviors. If you focus on these qualities and use them in your day-to-day work, then you'll certainly become more successful. Once again, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting or helpful, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.